Welcome back guys, and in Facebook you are watching videos short on regular basis. If you want to delete your video or shorts history, then what you need to do, I am going to cover in this video. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time, just go to the setting, tap on here, and here go to the setting and privacy, go to the setting, and here go below, and here you will your activity and go to the activity log. Now go below view logged actions. Here tap on here, and now you can see the activities I have done. So if you want to see, here we can also tap, and if you want to see only video you have watched, just tap on here, and now these are the videos I have watched. If you want to delete, just clear video chat history, and if you want to delete the single, tap on three dots here and it will be deleted. So this is how you can delete your video history from your Facebook. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.